If your Lexus LX Apple CarPlay keeps dropping the connection, you are not alone, but it is usually a simple fix. Research shows that 80% of infotainment disconnects are caused by faulty cables or software sync errors rather than hardware failure. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start with the physical connection by inspecting your cable and ensuring the console port is clean. Next, refresh your software by updating your iPhone and resetting the Bluetooth paired profile. Your Lexus infotainment system also needs to be cleared of old cached data that might cause handshake failures. If you are using a wireless adapter, realize that they are much more prone to interference than a direct wired connection. As you can see, the data points clearly to the cable being the primary culprit in most Lexus LX setups. If problems persist, perform a hard reset of the Lexus infotainment unit and your iPhone network settings. Keep a small toolkit in your glove box with compressed air to keep your USB ports clean and dust-free. Remember, stay patient with the software updates, as they often resolve the root cause of these disconnects. If this helped you fix your Lexus LX, hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting guides.